Hello. Welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start a garden supply business. My name is James and I will be your business consultant in this video. Now, before we start your garden supply business, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting one and how we can make yours profitable. Gardening is a rapidly expanding business opportunity that can save customers money and beautify the landscape while also benefiting the environment. Gardens can be traditional outdoor plots or containers on a smaller scale. Whether you are starting a vegetable garden, a herb garden, or a flower garden, a small business as a garden supplier may be the perfect business idea for you if you have a passion for gardening and a desire to help others get their gardens started. There are several reasons why you should start a gardening business. 1. Professional gardeners are in high demand among those who want to make the best use of their land but don't know how. Profitability is excellent. 3. You can collaborate with landscapers, garden shops, and educational institutions. 4. You can specialize in a variety of areas, including organic gardening, natural pesticides, native plants, edible plants, and so on. 5. You can provide garden setup services, gardening instruction, and even garden maintenance. Some of the potential difficulties of starting a gardening business include: 1. You will face stiff competition from retailers such as Home Depot and other large gardening companies. 2. To compete in a crowded market, you may need to find a niche. 3. You will need to be an expert in gardening. 4. You must be well versed in organic materials, products, pesticides, and so on. 5. Business and tax licenses, as well as certifications, may be required. 6. If you live in a seasonal climate, your business may slow down. Even in the early stages, starting a garden center can be time-consuming and labor-intensive. Payroll is one of the first expenses you should budget for. Most retail operations will not have to worry about employees until the doors open, but this is not the case for garden centers. If you go with a nursery or garden center instead of a community market, you'll need to have staff on hand right away to prepare the land and care for your plants. The following are the initial costs associated with opening a garden center. Real estate. Site work. A retail building and greenhouse, if necessary. Payroll. Startup plans, soil, and supplies. If you intend to warehouse your supplies, which you will almost certainly need to do, it is critical to construct a building with a tight seal from the outside. This is the stage at which you must make informed decisions about your building materials. Wood and other organic building materials are susceptible to pests, moisture, and settling. To maintain a controlled interior, most garden centers use prefabricated metal buildings for their retail operation and warehousing. Steel structures are resistant to pests, and insulated metal panels eliminate moisture and regulate temperature all year. Again, choosing metal over organic building materials is the best way to reduce long-term building maintenance costs such as part replacement, heating and cooling, and pest control treatments. To market your garden supply company, go to local flower shows and markets and hand out free samples or hold a giveaway for homeowners and business owners looking for hardy, dependable plants for their landscaping. Most homeowners require some guidance from a knowledgeable professional when it comes to gardening and landscaping in order to understand what is in season and when they should plant. Direct mailers are an excellent way to educate and inspire the general public. If you're starting a community garden center, the first people you'll market to will be small gardening and farming operations looking for a place to sell. It might be in your best interest to go directly to local farms and gardens. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start a garden supply business. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.